guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I am Caitlin, and today we are going to make really easy hot dog onions. There is nothing like a hot dog in the summer. I don't care, get on me. You are wrong if you think otherwise, because hot dog is just summertime to me, and there is no other fun topping quite like hot dog onions. It takes all the regular condiments that you would normally add onto your hot dog, throws it into the onions, and you have yourself a delicious dog. It is wonderful, and it is an easy thing to do. So I'm going to show you how to make some super easy New York style hot dog onions, and then, we're going to get down to summer and eating our hot dogs. So I like to cook these onions kind of on my side burner when I'm grilling. It's perfect to kind of just get it all ready ahead of time, and then as you're grilling your hot dogs and hamburgers, just allow it to cook slowly right there on the side burner. So make sure to use a pot that you could use outside, and go ahead and put a little bit of olive oil in there, and then you're going to have one white onion just kind of diced up fun style. After that, you just have a few other ingredients, and you're going to want to do equal parts of each. So you're going to take ketchup and just kind of squirt it all in there, and then you're going to do the same with mustard, about even to how much ketchup that you got in there. So if you do about 2 tablespoons of ketchup, do the same of mustard. Now, depending on the level of heat that you like, go ahead and add just a regular old Frank's Red Hot. You don't want to have as much as the other condiments, but just a little bit in there. That's probably good, but you could also leave this out if you do not like heat. After that, just 2 other ingredients. I have to add just a little bit of garlic powder because I add garlic to almost everything. And then we're going to do a little bit of some sea salt. Then you are going to just mix up these onions so that it's nice and blended like so. And then they're ready for outside. When you're grilling your other food, just go ahead and cook this on the side burner, low and slow. So when we get on out to our grill, we're just gonna put them on the side burner, like I said, nice and low and slow. You don't want them to burn, and you just wanna allow the onions to kind of really cook down slowly and get in with those other flavors. You know that your hot dog onions are done when your onions are soft and translucent. You're gonna have some really great scents coming out of this, even though it's just a mixture of condiments. And honestly, what could be better than a hot dog with some hot dog onions? Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one every week. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.